I'm CJ Bryan. Thank you so much for taking a moment to watch. As I always promise, I want to keep you informed of ways that you can take advantage and help your business to grow. Of course, I'm here with Jim Hudson Chevrolet Fleet and Commercial Sales, but today my guest is Dan. And we're going to talk about just 3 things that can help your business to continue to grow. And I want your business to grow because when you prosper, we all prosper. Dan, want to share some things with them?
Sure. We basically are a captive to Jim Hudson. GM Financial has built up a good reputation as far as being a good finance source. We have 3 products. We have an APR, we have a close-end lease, and we have a track lease. We like to be able to offer any of those products to the commercial customer to see exactly what fits for them. One of the basis of the track lease is it offers a company the ability to possibly, if they talk to their CPA, write off that payment as depreciation, and it has no miles restriction or wear and tear, which can help out a business that maybe is a little bit rough on their commercial vehicles. We also have a line of credit, which basically is that we ask for 3 years worth of financials that we can evaluate the customer based on their liquidity and based on their sales. We do look for that as far as to be able to pre-approve that customer for 12 months based on their needs for that 12 months. And then they can renew it at the end of 12 months, and that's an easy process as far as that goes. And that builds the relationship with the customer and with GMF. Which is something very important. And then we also have a maintenance fleet solutions program, which offers maintenance and a gas card, which is only $6 per month per vehicle and $2 additional if they need the fuel card. But that's a way that we can actually tie everything together and offer a full spectrum of programs for the commercial customer. And it gives them the opportunity to be able to see exactly what their fleet is costing them and exactly what we do as far as paying those maintenance fees and then sending them one consolidated bill, which a lot of companies really like a lot, so as far as that goes.
So you actually work almost like a leasing, a fleet manager in
Sure.
that process,
Absolutely,
correct?
absolutely. We want to be able to offer these array of programs and get sticky to the fact that that Jim Hudson can offer them a full range of products, so that you can be very competitive as far as that goes, because there are other leasing companies out there that we do compete against, and we are looking for that company that's in that 5 to 50 vehicles that maybe some of the fleet management companies are not courting out there because they just don't see them as being big, and we know that their pain is exactly that they need somebody to help them manage their fleet, and that's where we come in.
All right, so if I have a business and it's been around 5 years, I'm at that 5 year, and my business is starting to expand. I'm buying more vehicles, but my last couple of vehicles have been in my personal name. How will that line of credit, will it affect my personal credit line?
No, basically the line of credit will be that we will evaluate the financials on the company itself. But if a company wants to put it in just their business name, and maybe they haven't been as savvy on getting business credit, they can personally guarantor the loan, but it will not affect their personal credit. So it's a way for us to evaluate and build that relationship. But obviously the line of credit would be that we would just be putting it in the business name, and they'd be able to establish credit just in that because it is pre-approved.
Now, you all know how to get in contact with me. My number always will appear. But I want you also to connect with Dan. So if you're local, or maybe you're in North Carolina, you're in Georgia, you're in South Carolina, and you're looking to connect and you want to find out some more information how to do this, Dan, can you give them your information, how they can get in contact with you?
Sure. They can reach me at email at dan.lefevre, LEFEVRE @gmfinancial.com, or you can reach me on my cell phone at area code 678-699-4972, and I'd be happy to discuss any of our products with you.
I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to watch. Man, always remember, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And again, I wanted to make sure that Dan got a chance to share with you some of the great advantages that you can take. And if you're not taking them, you're missing out. You're leaving money on the table. And we don't want you to leave money on the table. We want you to use it to expand your business. Because when you prosper, we'll prosper. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.